Hey guys, I'm here with the vlog. Here to record my Gold VX Commodore. I use this for hill climb. And well, me and my dad share it. Number 166. Oh, that's my dad's. And yeah, so he's bought it for $600, and we had to do some other stuff to it. Just had a spider web on the back of my neck. That is for just in case, like his car stops driving or something. And then I've stuck that on. Got a helmet in there. Oh shit. Got all that. Extinguisher, that's in it, another important thing for hill climb. Rims. Faded paint. It's been sitting here for a couple, maybe 2 weeks, not driven. Nah. Yeah. It's automatic. I just got that pulled out. Yeah. So we just do it for hill climb. And it's got my dad's recently put a straight pipe exhaust on it. Right there. There's not really anything else to talk about it, other than it's a hill climb car. We're about to get 2 forward lasers as well. So if you guys want to see, if you guys want to see the 2 new, well, not really new cars, but the cars that are going to be new to my place. If you guys want to see those, give me a like, subscribe, and comment yes if you think I should, and no if you think I shouldn't. Yeah, I don't really have much else to show you other than what I get to see now. Colour of the sky. It's hard to see on camera, but it's beautiful. I'll see you guys in the next video, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already.